Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of PrestaShop Marketplace product label. In this tutorial, I will show you how the sellers can create labels and display them on product images. Let's see how this extension works, and for that I am taking you to the admin's back office. Let's start with module configuration. The module configuration is basically divided into two sections: label visibility settings and label dimension settings. Let's start with label visibility settings first. From here, admin can enable or disable the random display of labels on the product images if a seller has set the same position for multiple labels. From here, admin can allow or disallow the sellers to change the status of labels. From these fields, admin can enable or disable the label on product, category, brand, and supplier pages. Under the label dimension settings, admin can configure the dimensions of label for product page, category page, brand page, and supplier page. After configuring the module settings, let's have a look at the sellers end. After the installation of the module, two new tabs, product label and product label rule, are added to the seller's account, from where he can add and manage product label and product label rules. Click here to add a new label. Enter the label title here. From here, the seller can enable or disable the display of label title on mouse hover. Specify the label description here. From here, a seller can select the type of label. Seller can choose to add image, text, or Google material icon for the label. Click here to select icon for the label. From here, a seller can enable or disable the display of banner on the home page. Click here to upload the banner. From here, a seller can set the priority of the label in case he has applied multiple labels to the product. From here, a seller can set the validity of the label. From here, a seller can select the display position of label on the product image. Seller can select the pages where he wants to display the label. Label will be displayed to the users of the groups selected by seller. Here, enable or disable the display of label. Enable to display the label with content on the product page. Specify the content here. From these fields, a seller can set the color, background color, font size, and font family of the text. Similarly, a seller can add labels using text and Google Material icon as icon type. Set the label text here. From these fields, a seller can customize the label. Specify the Google Material icon here. A seller can view a list of labels he has created under product labels. A seller can enable, disable, edit, or delete the label. Post installation, a new tab, Labels, is added to the Update Product page. Under this tab, a seller can assign labels to the product. From here, a seller can select the labels that he wants to apply on the product, and from here, a seller can restrict labels for the product. Now let's have a look at the front end. All the labels assigned by the seller to a product will display on the product image. Label title getting displayed on the hover as enabled by the seller. Content added by the seller while creating the label. While creating the labels, the seller set the position of the label sale and new arrival to third. The very first label created by the seller, that is sale, is considered for the third position, and the label new arrival will be displayed randomly as configured by admin from the back office. If admin has disabled display label randomly field, then the label new arrival will not display as the position of both the label is set to 3. A seller can also assign the labels to multiple products at once. Under the product tab, a seller can select the products on which he wants to assign the labels. After selecting the products, click on Assign Bulk Label button. On clicking the Assign Bulk Label button, a seller can select the labels that he wants to assign to the products. If a seller has assigned the labels new arrival and hot deal to the product faded short sleeves t-shirt, but restricted the sale label while performing the bulk action, then the sale label gets unselect from the set labels and get select under the restricted labels. Earlier, all 3 labels were assigned to the product. Here we can see only the labels new arrival and hot deal are getting displayed on the product image. Now let's discuss product label rule. A seller can add product label rules to mass apply labels on the products. While adding a rule, a seller can set the conditions for the display of labels. The conditions are price rule, featured products, new product, online only, on sale, and free shipping. If a seller has selected feature products, then the selected label will be displayed on all the products that fall under the feature product category. As per the rule, the sale label will appear on the feature products. Now let's create label rule for price range. A seller can specify the price range and the label selected here will display on the products that fall in the defined price range. Here we can see the label new arrival is getting displayed on this product as the product price falls under the range defined by the seller while creating the rule. Similarly, a seller can create the rule for other conditions for the display of labels. Admin can view a list of labels created by the sellers under the product label tab. Admin can enable, disable, edit, or delete the label. Also, admin can add a label on seller's behalf. From here, admin can select the seller for whom he wants to add the label. This is the label created by admin for the seller.